Children, now what we move further with pie diagram. Many people say pie chart also. Pie diagram, pie chart, whatever you want to call, you can call it. Now, I've given you the question. At the same time, I have drawn the circle also. I'll give you all the instructions what we need to do so. Age group and the number of persons who donated blood in a blood donation camp is given below. Draw a pie diagram from it. So, the age group is given to us in years. 20 to 25 years, number of persons 80. 25 to 30 years, number of persons 60. 30 to 35, number of persons 35. 35 to 40, number of persons 25. Very important thing is this in pie diagram is to get the central angle theta. Central angle theta. So first of all, we have written down the age groups 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40. What are the total number of people if I sum it up? 80 plus 60, 140. 35 plus 25, 60. 140 plus 60, 200. So my total is 200. What's my total? 200. Now we need to come across to this particular central angle. We have to find out central angle. So what is the formula for central angle? I'll just give you here. I'll just give you the formula. Every single sum of pie diagram. Every single sum of pie diagram will have different theta to be written down as formula. We have to find out theta for sure, but every single sum will have something different to write down over here. So what is central angle theta? Central angle theta is nothing but over here the number of persons in each group. Number of persons in each group upon total number of person into 360. Why 360? Because we are going for circle. Right? How we calculate percentage? How much did we got? From total number of marks into 100. Since we wanted to go for percentage, we said into 100. Here, it's a circular. Angular measure of circle is 360. So, the number of person in each group, total number of person into 360. Right? So, let's apply here the theta value, the central angle, theta. Central angle, theta. First one, number of person, 80. What is total? 200 into 360. Into 360. Both the zeros got cancel off. 1s are 4s are. 36 4s are 144. 144 degree. How about this one? 60. Total 200 into 360. Gone. 1s are 3s are. 36 3s are 108 degree. 35. Total 200 into 360. Gone. 5 7s are 5 4s are 4 1s are 4 9 times 9 7s are 63. 25 by 200 into 36. Gone. 5 times 5 4 times 4 1 time 4 9 times 9 5s are 45. Now children, if I sum up all these 144, 108, 63, 45, I should get 360. That's the angular measure of circle. If you sum it up, you have to have 360. Please do it. You will get 360. 100, 200, 300. I just went off with 100, 200, 300, 308, then 316 plus 44, 360. Now comes how to go for it. We need to go for a circle. We need to go for a circle. Now, when we say that we need to go for a circle, you must be telling yourself, sir, how big the circle should be. How big the circle should be. There are no perfect measurements being given. I'm saying that if you draw a circle of 5 centimeter, it looks good. So, I would advise you to draw a circle of 5 centimeter. Now the question arises, should we do in a normal page, that the answer sheet which is being provided, or the graph paper? As per your board norms, in my purview, it should be on the graph paper, right? It is very easy to draw and mark down also. But if your teachers and the board says that no, we want on a answer sheet, you shall draw it over there also. So option is either on the answer sheet or on the graph paper. A circle is what 5 centimeter is what we have drawn with center O, say. There is no 5 centimeter mandatory norm. I'm just saying 5 centimeter, that's it. Thereafter, we draw a straight line as a base reference line. We draw a straight line as a base reference line, mind you. Thereafter, we keep a protractor. We keep a protractor here. Measure the first one. So we have to take this as a baseline. We have to take this as a baseline. Keep my protractor here. The center of the protractor should coincide with the center of the circle. Measure the first one, 144, being an obtuse angle. Shall I say somewhere here? Somewhere here is what 144 will be. Somewhere here 144 will be. I'm just taking any rough measurement. This is what my 144 is. I'll draw a line. Mind you, this is completely 144. This is completely 144. I'll write down here 144 degree. Moreover, which age group it belongs to? It belongs to 20 to 25. So I shall write down 20 to 25. Any problem? Next. 108. So what is 108? Now you have to keep this line as a baseline, mind you. We are done with this baseline. The new line so obtained shall be considered as a baseline. Now you have to keep your protractor like this, children. I'm showing you every time how you need to place your protractor. 108 is also obtuse. So can I say this is somewhat 90? From here to here it is 90. 108 shall be somewhere here. Shall be somewhere here. So this is what your 108 is. Draw a straight line. This is what your 108 is. Draw a straight line. This is 108 degree. And which group it belongs to? 25 to 30. I shall say 25 to 30. I shall say 25 to 30. Now this is your reference line. Which one? So let me say this was O. This is A. First OA as a reference line. Then OB as a reference line. Now OC as a reference line. How much? 63. So how you are going to place your protractor? Now your protractor should be like this. I'm going with the dotted part since we have mentioned couple of angles. Somewhere this is 90. So 66 is an acute angle. Can I say 66 is somewhere here? This is 66 degree. 66 degree. What is the age group? The age group is 30 to 35. 30 to 35. By default what we have? By default what we have, let me erase this. So you should not have any kind of confusion. By default what we have is nothing but 45 degree. By default, you need not measure it. By default this will be 45 degree. The age group is 35 to 40. The age group is 35 to 40 degree. Any problem? 35 to 40 degree. This is 30 to 35. This is 35 to 40. Not 35 to 40. This is 63. I'm sorry. This is 63 and not 66. I'm really sorry. This is 63. And this is 45. Any problem, children? Refresh it once again. First, to get the central angle, sorry. First, to get the central angle. Number of person in each group upon total number of person into 360. Why 360? I give you an answer. Circle with 5 centimeter. Baseline. First, 144. Protractor here, 144. Age group. Do mark the names A, B, C, D. So that, and this is my D. So that it becomes very easy for you to consider as a baseline, reference line. Thereafter, 108. So this OB should be your reference line. 108 in your protractor. Thereafter, 63. This as a reference line, 63 by default. Right? There are many people who might ask me that, sir, should we shade? I don't think so. You need to shade it. No, please don't shade it. You just write down A, B, C, D, E. Moreover, the content part, the class intervals over here, the age group. Mark down the degrees, which is very much necessary, and the content, class intervals, more than enough. And do mention A, B, C, D, E, if at all. Right, children? One more thing. Right? We don't have this, but maybe if they use the word percentage, by default, here, not in this sum, in some other sum, if they use the word percentage, by default, the denominator will be 100. Keep this in mind. By default, the denominator will be 100. Over here, it's going to be the total one, but if somehow in some other sum, if they happen to use percentage, the denominator has to be 100. So dash upon 100 into 360. Right, children? Quite simple this is.